Hello. Check, check. One, two, three.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mikasa. Are we really doing this?
I think so. चालू कर दिया था ना?
I was just testing.
Really?
Yeah. करना तो पड़ेगा अभी.
चालू कर ही दिया है तो कर देते हैं.
चलिए.
शुभारंभ?
जी बिल्कुल.
हाँ जी.
उससे पहले 1 मिनट.
Oh my God.
क्या हुआ? अरे हम we are creating a माहौल for our podcast. अगरबत्ती लगा रही हूँ मैं यार.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. I like the word माहौल.
Yeah, this
है
is a
ना?
माहौल. This is a setup.
Yes. Anyways.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this.
Yes.
तो नमस्कार.
आदाब.
Hello.
सत श्री अकाल.
Hello to all the green flags
And red flags out there.
Welcome to the first episode of
Pink
Flags
flags
Only. I am Mikasa.
And I'm Mau Mau.
Lol, what are the names?
Dude, I mean, obviously we can't just give up our real names.
For beep's sakes.
I know, right? We just came up with these names because of our shared love of anime. Yeah.
Come on, yaar. Yes.
Okay, so why are we doing this?
Podcast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So like we are doing the podcast, say for fun.
Yeah, maybe to just offload our thoughts.
Yeah, we need to do that.
This is going to be therapy for us.
And for everyone, I guess.
I guess.
I guess. So
Yeah.
इस चीज को गेस पे छोड़ देते हैं.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
हाँ जी. But on a serious note, okay? We are here to talk about life,
Yeah, love.
jobs,
हाँ भाई, मतलब हफ्ते के 5 दिन तो वहीं पड़े रहते हैं. ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स, बॉसेस की गालियां.
oh my.
चलिए, अब क्या ही बोले.
So all these things,
Yeah.
all the things that matters.
Yeah, and doesn't.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So, let's just start with something.
Something like?
Something like anything. Tell us about yourself, Mikasa.
Okay. I really like this part. When I
Mm-hmm.
talk about myself.
Please go on.
So, yes. Hi, people. I am gonna be your Mikasa. So, in real life, I'm a doctor and I do all the doctor stuff, I'll say. I am somewhere in my 30s, happily single.
Okay.
Happily is conditional,
Yeah.
I would say. Single. Mama, you tell.
Hello, my cuties. Mama here. I am a management consultant, also in my 30s and young. Okay, and my relationship status, अब क्या ही बोलूं यार, complicated ही समझ लो.
Complicated?
हाँ, अभी मतलब और कोई मुझे शब्द याद नहीं आ रहा.
Complicated से याद आया. Facebook.
Oh
we
God.
had that Facebook
Yes,
status for
yes.
relationships.
I don't even remember like that thing existed.
Yeah,
Like, I guess just millennials know about
I
this.
think so. Yeah. Yeah, we are hardcore millennials, guys. Yeah.
Okay. So, let's say, let's introduce our personalities to our listeners.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, why don't you go first, Mikasa?
Personality wise, I would say we both are like
1 minute. I have the perfect answer for this. We are like Black Cat and Golden Retriever energy.
huh? What is that?
Yeah, I mean, look at you. You give that Black Cat energy vibes. Completely mysterious, confident, bold, and so fucking sassy. And your aesthetics. Oh god. Instant love.
Thank you, thank you. And when you say the golden retriever,
Yeah, dude, full on.
matlab, okay, yeah, I get it. Always smiling, warm to people, open to talking to everyone, right?
Yeah, you got that right.
Yeah, like like short में बताना हो तो the warm sunshine in a human form.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so cute. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So,
अच्छा, one sec.
yeah.
पर्सनालिटी की बात थोड़ी कर ही रहे हैं.
Hmm.
तो how about zodiac signs?
God, you and your fucking freaky obsession with
It is
zodiacs.
important, trust me.
कैसे पता चलेगा क्या?
अरे, see, you get to know the other person.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Like, for example, I'm a Libra.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Indecisive.
Yeah.
Every time.
I remember one episode where you took 40 minutes to even decide which movie to go for.
Yeah.
And then we did not even go for that movie. That was like some next level.
So that is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I get
And
you.
like Libra naturally comes with, flirting.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even try. मतलब मैं करती भी नहीं हूँ.
I have seen you, and I trust me when I say this. Even when you talk, it literally sounds like you're flirting.
It is just me smiling and talking to the other person.
Yeah, that's how you flirt, right?
No.
Let me just tell our listeners that they could come and take a course from you, like guys and
101
girls,
lessons.
come here, take flirting lessons 101 from Mikasa.
No, yaar, come on. And like, okay, zodiac signs के हिसाब से you're a Pisces.
Yes, I am a Pisces.
Daydreaming to the core.
Yeah.
You do, come on.
Yeah, I mean,
Like obsessively daydreaming.
yeah, I am literally on episode 50 with somebody even before it starts.
Also, point pe funny, huh?
Yeah.
So much.
Also, I would like to, mention this one small thing about you,
Mm-hmm.
that however organized you
Yeah.
are clumsy as fuck.
I mean, I like my things organized.
Mm-hmm.
My body is clumsy. I trip on air. Like there is nothing. सीधे चलते चलते गिर जाती हूँ मैं.
True that.
And
I've seen you bump into like
I
every corner of the
into your
furniture.
cabinet, you remember?
Oh god, that was like, I thought this is going to hurt her like crazy
I was
the
busy
next
laughing
morning.
though.
Yeah, I guess it did not hurt you because you were drunk.
I was tipsy.
That's what
Yeah.
is called being drunk.
No, drunk का पूरा एक ये होता है ना, levels होते हैं.
ओ अभी अभी उसके भी तुमसे मतलब क्लासेस लूं.
अरे यार.
Tipsy, happy high, drunk,
Exactly.
sloshed, different levels.
फिर एकदम last वाला जो blank out वाला thing रहता है where you don't remember which planet you are.
That happened to me, you remember?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
house party.
Yes. Oh, that was me too, right?
Oh yeah.
In the middle of the party, I was sleeping on the couch.
Yeah, and I had to come check on you. Hello?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you alive? Do you need me to like pick you up and take you to the bedroom?
वो किसी और का घर था.
Yeah. Why are we forgetting that? Okay. So, also, one good quality about you that I absolutely adore is that you are really good with dates. You remember birthdays, anniversaries.
Oh, with numbers you mean? Dates के अगर तुम dates बोलोगे ना तो it's like
Uh-huh.
the romantic dates वाला thing.
No, dates means
Numbers. You
numbers.
can say numbers. I'm good
Yeah,
with numbers.
yeah. And
Yeah.
तुम्हारे ट्रॉमा के टाइमलाइंस भी होते हैं, है ना? मैं ये तारीख को इस पर फोकस करूंगी, उस पे इस तारीख को
No,
रहूंगी.
I remember everything. I don't know how.
Okay.
It is like registered in my brain.
Mm-hmm.
I still remember मेरे first school के principal का birth date.
Oh, okay. That's crazy, dude.
Yeah, I'm like in my 30s right now. वो
Mm-hmm.
principal अभी मुझे पता भी नहीं कहाँ है कैसे है. Okay, I still remember his birthday.
I don't know. What I feel is, when it comes to me these days, trauma इतना ही हो गया है कि I'm having some sort of memory loss.
Memory loss?
Yeah. Isn't that, I mean, like short-term memory loss thing? I forget everything.
मेरे हिसाब से your attention span has
Mm-hmm.
reduced to like 3 to 5 seconds, just like a goldfish.
True that. Like,
But blame the trauma. Come on.
yeah, yeah. We
This
are, we
year,
are here to blame trauma. The 2025 series has been like,
telling you 2025, पता नहीं किसने लिखा है.
yeah, it just felt like, jumping into a volcano and being shot up in the air,
And again,
coming down.
to the volcano.
Yeah,
Anyways,
yeah.
um,
So,
yeah.
तुम्हारी एक्सेल शीट्स कैसे काम कर रही हैं दिमाग वाली?
Oh my god. Full of scenarios, I'm telling you. Full of scenarios. Like my brain runs a marathon at night.
Okay.
Every packing night.
Oh,
And कुछ फ्यूचर वाली चीजें होती ही नहीं है. सारी पास्ट वाली चीजें होती है.
dude, I seriously don't get it. Like, you're very calm and composed, and when I look at you, I feel calm and composed. Like, भाई इसको देख के मतलब ऐसे मुझे सुख की प्राप्ति हो रही है. That
I
feeling.
bring that thing to the table, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
Like a lot of patience.
Mm-hmm.
But that is something I got from my father and my grandfather.
Okay.
I'll give that credit to them.
Okay.
The chaos,
Mm-hmm.
the inner chaos,
Mm-hmm.
I think only a handful of people have seen that, you being one of them.
Okay. I am feeling
मतलब
grateful.
तुमने जो देखा है वो बहुत थोड़ा सा ही है लेकिन देखा है.
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत देखा है.
Yeah, but then yeah. Also, I would say I'm an ambivert.
Mm-hmm.
मतलब if I want to be social, I am social. सामने वाले को समझेगा भी नहीं कि मैं extrovert हूँ या क्या हूँ. But when I'm done, I disappear.
Dude, you remember the double date we went on?
Oh, bad.
God.
Bad.
You
I was
won't-
excited for the date, I'm telling you. But the second I saw the person getting out of his car, I was like कि एक तो मेरा खून कर दो या फिर मैं इसका खून कर रही हूँ या फिर मैं माऊ माऊ का खून कर रही हूँ because she set up this.
Dude, I really, really, wanted to meet this guy, and when I told him, like, I'm traveling with my best friend, he was like, okay, fine, why don't we go on a double date? I'll be traveling with my friend. I was like, yeah, doesn't, I mean,
You should have checked his profile or maybe some photos or something.
why would
The
I do
only-
that?
the
The
only-
guy that I was supposed to meet looked like amazing.
Yeah, the only words that were exchanged between me and that date was hello.
Yeah, and I remember you didn't even like face him.
Yeah, I was sitting like I think I was facing you and sitting at the table.
Yeah. And you guys did not utter a single word. And that made my date, like
Miserable.
our date, miserable. I guess I enjoyed that date only after dropping you off. I mean,
That is my
was-
personality.
that was like
My
something crazy.
expectations are high. The level of expectations I have,
Mhm.
they are like, पता नहीं, Mount Fuji. Direct.
Mount Etna ही बोल दो.
नहीं, Mount Fuji जाना है यार.
अच्छा. Dude, like हम लोग, we are like picking up subjects and topics
इधर उधर से
इधर-उधर से,
everything.
like, let's
अभी बस हो गया मेरे बारे में.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. अब आप पे आते हैं.
Oh.
Personality wise.
जी.
The OCD queen I have in my life. है ना?
Thank you.
Book ऐसी ही सीधी ही चाहिए.
Dude, I don't know why. Like, I want things in a particular order. Like, they have to be aligned parallelly or maybe in a straight line. Or, I don't like them diagonally. Even when I walk on the tiles, and if they're colored tiles, I step on the colored ones and I go for odd numbered tiles. Yeah, I'll always step on the odd number tile. If I'm walking diagonally, I'll make sure I walk diagonally.
What if you trip and fall?
It's okay.
But I'll be the first one to laugh.
Dude,
and get it on my phone.
OCD is like far more important than
Falling
off.
But then OCD है. But you procrastinate a lot also.
Yeah. Like, for example, I have been meaning to clean my room since a really long time. And cleaning as in just that my clothes are out
On the bed.
on the bed, on the chair. And the whole week, since I get up early and I leave for work and I get back home late, I've been putting it off for the weekends. And then the weekend comes and I'm like, यार weekend तो यार पार्टी के लिए बना है. हमें तो मिलना है हमारी महबूबा से, मिकासा से.
हाँ जी.
और फिर उनको मिलने नहीं जाएंगे तो कैसे ही चलेगा. And then I put it off for Sunday. And then Sunday I go home and I look at it and I'm like,
Next weekend.
next weekend, yaar. Wahi
Okay,
same.
you know, I want to tell everybody here one thing. Weekend पे मिलना हमारा is like
Fixed. Yeah.
But we legit meet every day, every evening.
Yeah, we sit at that cafe.
Oh, I love that place.
And I mean, we don't do anything. Like, we are just coexisting.
Yeah.
And
Do you know we watch the animals there? क्योंकि बाजू में pet shop है.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, there's a vet clinic.
Vet clinic and oh yeah, sorry, my bad, my bad. So we watch all the cats and dogs come and go.
Yeah. You remember the big mastiff that came the other day? Oh my goodness, he was scary.
I didn't see. I was busy in my phone.
Okay. Maybe, I mean, since I was getting out of the auto and walking towards you, that this dog crossed me and he was huge.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, random talks. Let's get back to the topic, please.
हाँ जी, तो आपका OCD का मैंने बात कर लिया है.
जी.
Procrastinate तो आप बहुत करते हो.
बहुत ज़्यादा. Look at us. Recording the episode. What? 2 days before
releasing it?
Yeah, I know. This is crazy. That's because of me. I'm so sorry.
No, why?
Yeah, I
we did record it the other day, but we messed it up a little.
Yeah. So this is take 3, I guess?
3. Yeah.
And we did not we can't go back because we have invested in these mics. We can't go back. We have to give it a try.
अलग ही reason है आपका, but ठीक है. Personality wise, I think you are not an overthinker. You don't overthink about situations or people or things.
Not at all.
Okay. But daydreaming,
Pro Max.
अरे मतलब अल्ट्रा, मतलब कोई हाथ ही नहीं पकड़ पाएगा.
Dude, I am, I'll tell you something. Sometimes, so okay, I went on a date with this guy, the double date that we went on. So this guy, I've been talking to him, and I am already on episode 50 with him. कुछ अता पता नहीं है. मतलब पसंद करते हैं भी या नहीं ये भी नहीं पता है. And I am on episode 50. I am somewhere planning babies with him.
Okay, you realize he's quite younger.
Yeah, 5 साल ही छोटा है.
अरे, come on.
It's okay.
No.
Why?
This can be another episode.
Yeah, let's discuss.
Yeah. You being delusional right now and always.
I am the queen of delusions.
Delulu soul.
Delulu is the only solulu.
Okay. Gen Z आ रहा है बीच में.
यार, it's not delusion. It's called manifestation.
मेरा अलार्म बज गया.
यार ये क्या है? प्रोटीन टेक.
हाँ, मुझे जिम जाना है ना 7:30 को.
कितने बार जिम गए हो मैडम?
अरे
हाँ, जब से मेंबरशिप भरी है तब से कितने बार गए हो?
1 महीना गई मैम.
1 महीना? Please don't lie.
I did.
Every day we are sitting together. You are not going to gym.
अक्टूबर या उसके पहले मैं 1 महीना पूरा जिम गई हूँ. Okay.
And this is December.
Yeah, you remember बीच में ऐसा था कि I was really fit and nice and like बहुत energy थी.
I absolutely love your ass. I always find moments and ways to fucking spank you whenever you walk by.
TMI हो रहा है.
Okay. No, we are not lesbians. Let's just put it out there.
Yeah.
We are best friends.
Yeah.
Nothing more than that.
Love
Nothing.
each other to core.
Yeah, nothing sexual.
Yeah. Admire each other.
Huh? Ah, yeah, admire each other. I was like, what? What did you just say? Okay, so
आपका delusion जो है
हम्म,
आप उसे manifestation कह रहे हो.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
I hope it gets true.
I am good at manifesting things.
Oh,
I manifested my moles on my face, the one on my chin and my
dude,
cheek.
trust me, I have manifested a place for myself, like home.
Am I in that home with you?
No, no.
Fuck off.
वो पहला था.
अच्छा.
It was um, in 2021.
Mm-hmm.
Me and my then, boyfriend, now ex-boyfriend. We were sitting and we were just sitting on the फुटपाथ पे बेंचेस होते हैं ना. We were having ice cream and sitting there. And मैंने ऐसे ही उसको बोला कि it would be so nice to have a flat here. And I rented a flat in that building itself.
Wow.
Yeah. And it was a huge place. Hey, तू आया था यार. You remember the 2 BHK, the huge one?
Yeah. I just came once or twice, I guess. Yeah, that's the reason I don't remember it.
Yeah, but that I manifested.
That was a beautiful place.
Yeah. So manifestation में believe तो 100%.
But मेरा delusions थोड़े
तुम्हारे
next level
delusion
है.
वाले manifestation अलग होते हैं. ये
चलता
reality
है.
वाला
चलता है
manifestation.
यार, like unless and until you put the pro max level out there in the universe is not going to give it back.
मैंने एक मीम पढ़ा इंस्टाग्राम पे कि तुम बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजें मांगो यूनिवर्स से. मांगना ही है ना. तो तुम मांगो, बड़ी बड़ी चीजें मांगो. यूनिवर्स तुमको तुम्हारी औकात दिखाते रहेगा.
ये साल काफी नहीं था औकात दिखाने के लिए.
अरे वो मराठी में था ना. Somebody asking how was it 2025 and the Marathi person said जिरली आमची. Okay, also our listeners, they don't know, but I want to tell them, yeah, hardcore Maharashtrian baddies here.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Puran pori and puran chapatis.
What is puran chapatis?
Dude, you are the pori, I'm the chapati.
Pori's asतं. It's chapati.
Chapati.
Nahi.
Yes, it's chapati. Let's not teach our listeners.
God, look at that zero patience in you, yeah.
यार patience रख के क्या ही होने वाला है? Like, you don't get anything out of it. I'm like, what did you get out of being patient?
I am calm, composed. My mind is at peace.
Yeah, and at night you are going through your Excel
that
sheets.
Is my moon sign is Aquarius.
Isn't that mine as well? No.
Your rising sign is Aquarius.
Okay, that's why we connect well.
Yeah. No, we connect because
you know what? ये जो अखंड चुतियापा है, rising, lowering, whatever
zodiac sign.
This is because of you. I never knew this thing existed. I just knew भाई साहब एक सन साइन होता है, एक मून साइन होता है. इसके अलावा मुझे कोई कुछ भी नहीं पता था.
Oh come on, सन साइन होता है, मून साइन होता है, राइजिंग साइन होता है, वीनस साइन होता है.
बस हो गया. इतना नहीं घुसना अपने को.
किसी और एपिसोड में.
यस प्लीज.
हाँ जी. कितना जल्दी पेशेंस ऐसा निकल जाता है तुम.
यार, it's better to lose your patience, speak your heart out and forget it. I anyway don't remember anything that I say, so it's very easy for me to just okay next, thank you next.
मुझे भी सिखा देना.
Dude, I've been actually doing that to a lot of okay, so I've been on dating apps, and if I don't if the energy doesn't match, if the vibe doesn't match with that guy, I'm just like, okay, thank you next, and I'm unmatch that person or remove that person. Okay. I don't even give them time to respond to anything. If I'm saying that, okay, you don't have time, and I am not looking for anybody who is emotionally unavailable or with a low EQ, and then I don't even give them a chance to say that, okay, no, what you're saying is like wrong or anything, like any justification. I don't even wait for it. I'm like, Thank you, next. Unmatch.
Is this zero patience or just avoidance?
Probably avoidance, I guess. I feel so.
है ना?
Yeah.
Zero patience is when you are driving.
Oh my. Yes. I have a bit of road rage.
A bit?
Yeah, a
किलो
bit.
किलो में भरा है.
अरे यार, मतलब ऐसे लोग आते हैं रास्ते पर,
I
तो
mean,
उनको उनकी जगह दिखाने जरूरी है.
you are in your car,
हम्म.
you are driving,
हम्म.
but आप निकले हो
हम्म.
लोगों को सिखाने के लिए कि कैसे ड्राइव किया जाता है.
You remember our road trip?
Yeah, the last road trip. Oh my god.
The
Dude,
guy,
that guy was scared.
he made a mistake. Okay, he was overtaking, and
He pulled his brakes. I remember. I
yeah,
remember
and
well.
you're not supposed to do that when you're overtaking. कौन करता है ऐसा? I had to teach him some discipline. Discipline? No, discipline. What? Dude, I have this problem. When there is S in a word, I can't say it. Discipline.
But
Discipline.
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 Okay, okay.
Okay,
This is
forget
not
it.
a podcast
Cut,
about.
cut, cut.
Okay. जितना भी अलग अलग personalities है, there are a few points that we have in common.
True.
Okay.
A couple of points, yes.
Yeah.
So
We both need validations.
and reassurance.
Reassurance. Oh my god, yes. वो
Next
किसी
level.
से भी हो.
Yeah, even in friendship or parents or
Parents,
siblings, any person.
I just validation का तो point मतलब मैं अगर तुमको कॉफी भी लाके दूं ना, I want you to taste it and tell me कि
Yeah,
अच्छी
you
बनी
did.
है.
You did that to me today.
Yeah.
You gave me coffee and you were like,
मम्मा का कॉल आ गया.
Oh,
आ गया. चलो मम्मा से बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's finish this.
Yeah.
या तो validation and reassurance दोनों को भर भर के चाहिए होता
Yeah,
है.
you gave me the coffee and you were like, is it nice? Did you taste it? Is
Did
it
you
hot?
like it?
Did you like it? And I was like, भाई मोहतरमा, मुझे पीने तो दीजिए.
ये तो सब कॉफी की बात है.
हाँ, बहुत
बाकी
छोटी बात है.
हाँ. We are spontaneous, I would say.
Like slightly unhinged as well.
I mean, you know, unhinged, spontaneous. It is, we plan a Saturday night.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be like,
Always.
We'll be like, I'll ask you to come home, just, Netflix and chill.
Mm-hmm.
Our Netflix and chill.
Yeah.
Not
where nothing
the
happens.
quoted, unquoted Netflix and chill.
Yeah.
Just pizza or wine kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
You come home, मेरे पास देखते हो and you're like, what, babe? Get dressed. We are getting out. We are going for a drive and drinks and dancing.
Yeah, I mean, कुछ तो होना चाहिए.
The
spontaneous plans are the best ones.
Even the road trip we took last week.
Yeah.
It was spontaneous. It was like we were sitting, we were talking, and we were like, चल नासिक जाके आते हैं.
Yeah.
And we were like, हाँ.
Okay, let's go.
Weekend pe morning, we are on our way.
And guess what did we do over there? We went to the mandir.
Yeah, it was peaceful.
Yeah.
So peaceful.
Yeah. I guess both of us, we were sitting over there,
just watching the water.
Yeah, we were on the river side. I guess Godavari river. Yeah. And it was so peaceful, so quiet.
Yeah.
Watching those
Nasik
ripples.
is very quiet and peaceful.
Yeah.
I would, just.
And it was really beautiful this time. Like,
in December.
There was a bit of cold. And it was very peaceful. Like, at least थोड़ा मतलब अपने city से बाहर अच्छा लग रहा था.
Yeah. Also, one point we have in common is we both are spiritual.
Yeah, truly. We, I won't say like, we believe in God, but then we believe in a greater force.
Yeah.
And it's really important to be aligned with those forces.
That this kind of force helps me personally to be grounded, to be grateful.
It becomes
Every
your
day.
driving force.
Yeah.
Like, you're at peace
Exactly.
when
Like
you um
there are like 100 problems, so much of
mm-hmm,
chaos in the whole day.
mm-hmm,
But you sit down
mm-hmm,
and you feel like, okay, कितना भी problem हो, कितना भी गड़बड़ हो, you have something with
mm-hmm,
you,
mm-hmm,
someone with you, that force with you.
mm-hmm,
And the reassurance
mm-hmm.
कि yes, everything is going good, getting sorted out.
True. यार सुबह निकलने से पहले
Hmm.
मंदिर के सामने बस खड़े रह के
Hmm.
छोटा सा प्रेयर भी नहीं, like you just tell God that okay, I am really grateful for this life,
हाँ.
and I just want you to guide me through all my problems
Yeah.
and be there for me
Hmm.
when I need you.
हाँ.
So वो एक छोटा प्रेयर बोल के निकलते हैं ना, you you feel that strength
Right.
building up in you
Totally.
to get through the day.
Totally.
Yeah.
So
And we love luxury.
yes. Oh my god, मैं कैसे भूल गई?
Dude, luxury is very um
I mean, it is not something that is given to us. It is something
mhm,
that we have earned for ourselves through
yeah,
years
yeah.
of mehnat, I would say.
I mean, our parents also have made sure that we got what we wanted or needed.
What we deserved.
Yeah. And I feel like anybody that we date in future
Mhm.
should be on the same level.
Of luxury, I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At least उतना खर्चा करने के बाद कोई सुनाएगा नहीं, like, oh my goodness, you're spending so much on this.
true that.
Yeah.
Why do I miss my ex-boyfriend right now?
You do?
I do.
Why?
Because there's a quote he used to always say. You know, like, I'll give you an example.
Mm-hmm.
So, the other day, say something in August.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I lost my bracelet.
Mm-hmm.
You remember the luxury bracelet? I cannot quote the brand right
Mm-hmm.
now, but
Mm-hmm.
do you remember that bracelet?
Yeah, yeah, I do.
So I really loved it, the
Mm-hmm.
bracelet. Expensive,
Mm-hmm.
chic, nice, but I lost it
Mm-hmm.
during traveling.
Mm-hmm.
And when I realized I lost it, I called him up.
Mm-hmm.
I told him this has happened,
Mm-hmm.
and he was like, "It's okay. You're feeling sad that you don't have that bracelet anymore.
Mm-hmm.
But always remember that you do not cry for things that can be bought by money."
Oh, that's deep.
Yeah, he's like, fine. That is how you make your brain rich.
Yeah. This was something deep. This, pulled me back into thinking about a lot of things.
I think we are
We
घूम रहे
we
हैं
we we have just yapped about like so many different things.
150.
Is it? Are we keeping a count here?
Oh, no ways.
We should
No.
probably end this first episode and give our listeners a chance to come back to us and listen to
Yes.
us yapping about new things.
Yes.
So, yeah, guys and girls,
Daddies and mommies.
please keep joining us, listening to us talk about our day-to-day bakchodi.
Yes, keeping our intro episode short.
Which was not so short.
We are just hoping you guys will tune in back for more of our oversharing episodes and all the gyan nobody asked for. Chalo then. Bye, babies.
See y'all soon.
Bye.
Toodles.